explained us the purpose of Raffle Alpha. Now the next question that comes in my mind is how to select the right kind of chemical for sanitization or disinfection.
So actually, this is a very good question. I'm glad you asked this. So there are so many chemicals which are available in the market. So the first important thing to be understood is the hand rub or the hand sanitizers are not the right chemicals for surface disinfection or for aerial disinfection. So the popular chemicals that we see are like sodium bicarbonate or hydrogen peroxide or silver nitrate, which are all oxygen bleaches.
Okay.
The issue with the oxygen bleaches is when they get in touch with the surface, they do take away the color. So they cause spots or they cause stains. So basically, they are harmful to the surfaces, especially the delicate surfaces like your upholstery, your leather, or your delicate wood finishes. And then there are other categories of chemicals available, which are chlorine dioxide, which are biodegradable. The most popular, I would say, and the one chemical which has shown the highest efficacy in the pandemic time are the quaternary ammonium compounds, QACs. So they are widely used in America and in the Europe for contamination control during this pandemic time, 1.5 years. And I would say it is extremely important to use the right kind of chemical. So depending on the surface, depending on the space that you are targeting to disinfect, and looking at your purpose, you should be going for the right kind of chemical. So the chemicals which cause irritation, the chemicals which cause harm to the surfaces, they should be avoided. There are good chemicals like QACs or chlorine dioxide, which are proven to show its efficacy against bacteria and viruses. And both these compounds are WHO approved, and chlorine dioxides are also EPA listed compounds. So I suggest one has to be finding the right chemical, do some research, gain some knowledge. One thing I want to convey to everyone who is listening to this video is that they should look for the credibility of the chemical which they are buying or they're using, because anybody making a claim kills 99.9% of virus bacteria is not sufficient enough. So please do ask if there is any test report from a certified NABL accredited laboratory which tells that this disinfectant is really impactful against virus and bacteria, because this is a serious business. And there is range of chemicals. I've seen right now in these times, everybody was into paint business, into plastic business, into wood business, into electronics business.
Yes.
They are now making chemicals and they are selling chemicals, but there is no evidence, there is no scientific proof, there is no test report from the laboratory which tells that the chemical they are selling is found to be effective for the purpose it is being sold for. So it is for the user to be aware. When somebody has to make a purchase, they should be asking all these questions and making a buying decision based on these parameters.
So always select right chemical if you want to take immense benefits from sanitization and disinfection.